Hi, I'm Elnaz. Welcome back. 30 daily routine sentences for a student. 1. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. 2. I stretch a little before getting out of bed. 3. I brush my teeth and wash my face. 4. I take a quick shower to feel fresh. 5. I get dressed in my school uniform. 6. I eat a light breakfast to start my day. 7. I pack my school bag with my books and notebooks. 8. I walk to the bus stop near my house. 9. I take the school bus with my friends. 10. I arrive at school and greet my classmates. 11. My first class starts at 8:30 a.m. I listen carefully and take notes during lessons. I participate in class discussions when I can. I spend some time studying in the library. 15. I have lunch with my friends in the cafeteria. 16. I finish small assignments during break time. I head home after school feeling tired but happy. I relax for a while before starting homework. I do my homework at my desk. I review my lessons to prepare for the next day. I help my family with simple chores at home. I help my family by tidying up or setting the table. I bake a simple cake and enjoy the sweet smell at home. I play a game or watch my favorite show to relax. I play the piano or practice a new melody. I chat with my friends online and share stories from our day. At night, I enjoy eating some fruit and feel relaxed. I listen to peaceful music and enjoy the moment. I set my alarm so I don't oversleep. I set my alarm and go to bed feeling calm and ready for a new day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.